Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in this video, I just want to keep this short and sweet. I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and I hope everybody is being safe out there. I know there are some rough times out there right now. 2020 has been one hell of a year. Let me repeat that, guys. 2020 has been one hell of a year. No joke. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your holidays and try and be safe. And I will not be taking any time off from making any YouTube videos, so you guys can plan to see me weeks to come. I am not taking any more breaks. We are full steam ahead, guys. I'm shooting for 1,000 subscribers. I will keep pushing until I reach my goal. So this is where I'm going to leave this video, guys. I wanted to shoot this video on Christmas Eve, so when you guys wake up Christmas morning, hopefully you guys will see this video. So again, guys, Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button, and also dropping me a comment. And as I always say, guys, I always try and check every single comment that comes on this channel, whether I give you guys a like, a heart, and in most cases, I will drop you guys a comment. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.